Have you ever wondered why some women get so emotionally attached to a man while others don't, no matter how much time you spend together? Here's the hidden truth. When a woman becomes emotionally attached to you, she will constantly think about you. You'll run through her mind during her morning coffee, while she's at work, and even late at night before she sleeps. And when she's thinking about you, she begins to crave you. This craving can pull her toward you in ways that make her more affectionate, more invested, and yes, even more likely to get physically intimate with you. But there's a twist most men don't see coming. If she gets too emotionally attached, things can turn toxic. She might become overly jealous, needy, and desperate for your attention. And instead of being the dream girl you imagined, she can end up suffocating their relationship with constant demands for validation. So the key is balance. You want her to feel emotionally drawn to you, but not so attached that it destroys the spark between you. In this video, I'll reveal 11 powerful psychological strategies that make a woman emotionally attached to you while keeping things healthy, exciting, and fun. These are simple, proven TechniQuest work like magnets on her emotions, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to create a deep bond without losing your freedom. Stay with me until the very end, because the number 11 is the one mistake that almost every guy makes, and it can complete a leer in her attachment to you. 1. Give her space to miss you. This may sound counterintuitive, but one of the most powerful ways to get a woman emotionally attached to you is by giving her space. Think about it. If you're always around her, constantly texting, calling, or hanging out, she never gets a chance to miss you. She never gets that emotional craving to see you again. Most men make the mistake of smothering a girl they like. They want to spend every possible minute with her. But here's what actually happens. The more available you are, the less she values your presence. She takes you for granted because she never has time to wonder about you. Instead, you need to be intentional about space. Limit the number of texts and calls. Don't hang out with her every single day. End conversations on a high note so she's left wanting more. When she has space, she will start asking herself questions. Why hasn't he texted me yet? Is he busy or is he with somebody else? That curiosity creates intrigue, and intrigue is the foundation of emotional attachment. So, give her the gift of missing you, and she begin touches you in ways you never expected. 2. Playfully tease her. Now, once you've created some space, you want to keep the emotional energy fun and exciting, and the best way to do that is through playful teasing. Teasing isn't about being mean or rude. It's about creating little sparks, often predictability. Women are deeply drawn to men who can make them feel a roller coaster of emotions. Here's how you do it. Give her a cute nickname. Playfully misinterpret something she says. Tease her about her quirks, like how she orders the salmon drink every time or how she always runs late. When you do this, she feels relaxed around you. She associates you with laughter, playfulness, and lighthearted energy. And here's the kicker. She starts to associate those good feelings with you. Remember, emotions are contagious. If she feels happy and fun when she's around you, she wants more of that. And every time she thinks of you, she remembers how you made her feel. This isn't just flirting. It's psychology. Teasing builds emotional highs that hook her into the experience of being with you. But here's the thing. Teasing and giving her space are just the beginning. If you really want her emotionally invested, you need to make her start chasing you. 3. Encourage her to chase you. Here's a secret most men never learn. If you want a woman to be emotionally attached, she has to feel like she's chasing you. Why? Because when she invests her time, her energy, and her emotions into pursuing you, she becomes more bonded to you. People naturally value what they work for. And the same is true in attraction. Now, how do you use her to chase you? It's actually simpler than you think. In conversations when they're at their peak, not when they've died out. That way, she's left wanting more. Let her bait you one to text first sometimes. Don't always be the one making plans. Give her space to suggest hanging out. When she's chasing you, she's emotionally investing. And every time she invests, even in small ways, her attachment to you grows deeper. Think about it like this. If you're always the one chasing, she never has to put in effort. She never has to wonder if she's losing you, but when she chases, she starts to worry just a little bit about keeping your attention. And that worry translates into emotional attachment. 4. Reward her when she chases you. Now, here's where a lot of guys mess up. Yes, you want her to chase you. But if you act completely disinterested when she does, she lose motivation and pull back. You don't want to punish Hereford. You want to reward it. And rewarding her doesn't mean you shower her with gifts or become her servant. It's about making her feel special when she puts in effort. For example, if she plans a date, show genuine appreciation. If she compliments you, smile and acknowledge it instead of brushing it off. If she buys you something or does something thoughtful, let her see that it means something to you. These small acts of recognition make her feel that chasing you is worth it. It creates a feedback loop. She invests, you reward, she invests more. And here's the kicker. When a woman feels appreciated for the effort she puts into you, she doesn't just stay interested, she becomes emotionally locked in. 5. Never chase her. This point is crucial. If you want her emotionally attached, you can't bait a guy who's always chasing. Why? Because when you chase, you send assault message. I need you more than you need me. And women can sense that desperation instantly. Chasing kills attraction because it flips the balance. She starts to feel like she's the prize and you're the one competing for her attention. And when she feels that way, she loses respect and her emotional connection to you awakens. Instead, let things happen naturally. Don't force the relationship. Give her space to come to you. When you're not always chasing, you become more mysterious, more attractive, and ultimately more powerful in her eyes. It's like a flower. If you keep pulling on the petals trying to force it open, you'll destroy it. But if you let it bloom naturally, the beauty unfolds on its own. So stop chasing and let her come to you. But here's where it gets even deeper. Once she's chasing you, you must make her feel completely safe to share her emotions. And if you fail at this step, she never let herself get really attached. 6. Never judge her. If you want a woman to become emotionally attached to you, she has to feel completely safe opening up. And nothing shuts a woman down faster than judgment. When she shares her thoughts, feelings, or past experiences, you should never respond with phrases like, "Why would you do that? What were you thinking? Are you out of your mind?" Those words may seem small, but to her, they feel like rejection. She will instantly close off and stop sharing her real self with you. Instead, you need to create a safe space where she can express herself without fear. That means listening without interrupting, asking open-ended questions like what happened next or how did that make you feel, showing empathy even when you don't fully understand her perspective. When she feels you truly accept her even at her most vulnerable, she begins to trust you with her emotions. And that trust is what makes her emotionally attached. Remember this. Attraction might bring her close, but emotional safety keeps her there. 7. Touch her gently. Touch is one of the most powerful tools in human connection. It bypasses logic and speaks directly to emotions. When you touch a woman in gentle, respectful ways, you trigger a flood of feelings inside her, and those feelings, if positive, become permanently linked to you. Here's how to touch the right way. Hold her hand while walking together. Put your arm around her in a protective, casual way. Hug her warmly. Not just quick, shallow hugs, but real ones that let her feel your presence. Kiss her on the forehead, cheek, or hand to show affection beyond just physical attraction. These touches are not about lust. They're about connection. They send a powerful message. You are safe with me. And when she associates your touch with comfort, safety, and excitement, she becomes emotionally addicted to that feeling and to you. 8. Engage in emotional irrelevant conversations. This step is critical. Many guys kill attraction by only having transactional consters. What did you do today? Where was that concert? When was that trip? Those airborne surface-level questions. They didn't touch her emotions. And emotions are the glue that bond her to you. Instead, you need to dive deeper. When she says she went to a music festival, don't just ask, "Where was it?" Ask, "What was the most exciting moment for you there? How did the music make you feel in the crowd?" Now you're speaking her emotional language. And when she describes her feelings, she's reliving them. If you relate to her, sharing your own stories of when you felt the same, you create a powerful emotional mirror. This kind of conversation goes beyond facts. It builds intimacy. She starts to feel like you're the one person who wholly gets her. And once she feels that, her emotional attachment to you skyrockets. But here's the truth. None of this will work unless she actually enjoys being around you. And the fastest way to make her enjoy your presence is through laughter. 9. Make her laugh. Laughter is one of the strongest bonding experiences in human psychology. When you make a woman laugh, you're not just entertaining her, you're creating positive emotionalities in her mind. Every time she thinks of you, she remembers how good you made her feel. Now, you don't need to be a stand-up comedian. You don't need to tell rehearsed jokes. Humor is about being playful, being intimate, and not taking yourself too seriously. Here's how you can do it. Use light sarcasm, but never cruel sarcasm. Playfully exaggerate situations. Share funny stories from your life where you messed up in a silly way. When she sees that, you can laugh at yourself. She relaxes. She feels comfortable. And that comfort transforms into a powerful emotional connection. Remember, men who make women laugh don't just win their attention, they win their hearts. 10. Never try to impress her. This is the trap so many men fall into. They think the way to get a woman emotionally attached is by bragging, showing off, or trying to prove they're better than other guys. But here's the reality. When you try to impress her, you're putting her on a pedestal. You're resolutely admitting you are above me and need to earn your approval. And women sense that instantly. It kills attraction. Instead, focus on authenticity. Don't try to prove your value. Live your value. Let her see your ambition, your passions, and your purpose in life without forcing it down her throat. When she sees that you are comfortable in your own skin, that you're not desperate for her validation, she feels a magnetic pull toward you. Confidence is attractive. Desperation isn't it? So stop trying to impress her and start being the man she's naturally drawn to. 11. Let her fully express her emotions. This is the final piece, and it's the one most men get wrong. When a woman shares her emotions, whether it's excitement, sadness, or embarrassment, you need to let her fully express hers. Too many guys try to cut hair off when she's crying, or they change a subject when she's upset, or they minimize her happiness when she's excited. That's a huge mistake. If she's slowing, let her laugh. If she's crying, let her cry. If she's excited, celebrate with her. Why? Because emotions are energy. And when you let her fully release that energy around you, she bonds with you on a much deeper level. If you cut her off, she feels misunderstood. But if you let her flow with her emotions, she feels safe, accepted, and connected. And when she feels safe to express her entire emotional range around you, that's when she becomes truly deeply emotionally attached. So let's recap. If you want a woman to become emotionally attached to you without turning the relationship toxic, you must 1. Give her space to massage you. 2. Playfully tease her. 3. Encourage her to chase you. 4. Reward her when she chases. 5. Never chase her. 6. Never judge her. 7. Touch her gently. 8. Engage in emotional irrelevant conversations. 9. Make her laugh. 10. Never try to impress her. 11. And most importantly, let her fully express her emotions. When you apply these strategies, something powerful happens. She doesn't just like you, she begins to need you. She feels emotionally safe, emotionally addicted, and emotionally drawn to you in ways she can't explain. And here's the secret most men will never learn. A woman doesn't remember every word you say, but she never forgets how you make her feel. So if you can make her feel understood, valued, safe, and excited, she keep coming back for more. And that's when she becomes emotionally attached to you in the deepest way possible. If you found this video powerful, don't forget to hit that like button so more men can discover these hidden truths. Subscribe to Dark Psychology for more deep insights into attraction and relationships. And tell me in the comments, which of these 11 points do you struggle with the most? I'd love to hear your experiences. Until next time, this is Daniel from Stoic, helping you unlock the secrets of the female mind.